Today it's a little cold outside, and we need to do some digital work specifically for, this is our best-selling shoe. This is our James Court Low, something we want to bring back as soon as we rebuild. So we lost a die for one of the most crucial pieces in this shoe. So this tongue and vamp piece for all sizes, we have to recreate. So today I'm just working on the computer to digitally create this pattern piece. I'm gonna walk you guys through what that looks like to create this vamp and tongue piece for the James Court Low. Taking a little break from pattern making just for a second because it got sunny and nice out here, but we moved to a farm about 3 years ago, and since our factory was flooded, this has been my office where I'm doing all the rebuilding for Opie Way. So it means I get to take a break every once in a while and come say hey to some awesome animals. So we're just gonna come say hey to the horses right now. So I'm gonna get back to pattern making right now, but if anybody is interested or going to ask, I am making these patterns in Illustrator, which is not typically how we make shoe patterns, but I already had them in a file that I could easily update through Illustrator. So that's what we're pulling up. So I'm gonna show you guys what I've been working on for the past few hours. I think we're almost ready to have them finished, and then we'll send them off to have dies made.